Matt put his case on the bed. At the same time, he noticed something sitting between the pillows. "And this is Asmodeus," Mrs. Deverell said. "My cat." It was a huge black cat with yellow eyes. Its stomach was bulging as if it had recently eaten, and Matt noticed a patch of grey where some of the fur had worn away. It was purring lazily. Matt reached out his hand to stroke it. The cat purred more loudly. Slowly, it turned its head and looked Matt in the eyes. Then it sank its teeth into his flesh. With a cry, Matt pulled his hand back. Bright red blood welled out of a jagged bite in his thumb. A drop fell onto the floor. Mrs. Deverell took a step back. Matt saw that her eyes had widened, and now, for the first time, she was smiling. All her attention was fixed on the blood on the floor. It was too much for him. The room turned. Matt swayed on his feet. He tried to say something, but the words refused to come. The walls were spinning. He heard a door boom open. He looked through it and saw, or thought he saw, a circle of huge granite stones. Someone was holding a knife. He could see it hovering over his head, the pointed blade curving towards his eye. The floor seemed to shake, and then, one after another, the wooden planks cracked open, splinters exploding all around. Brilliant light streamed through, and in the light he thought he saw something like a giant, inhuman hand. A voice echoed in his ears. "One of the 5, it whispered. The light engulfed him. He felt it sweeping through him, burning the inside of his head. He slammed the heels of his hands into his eyes, trying to block it out. Then he was falling backwards. But he was unconscious long before he hit the floor.